Freshwater mussels, one of the most endangered animals in Minnesota. The freshwater mussel is a mollusk inhabiting freshwater bodies such as lakes and rivers scattered across Minnesota. Mollusks are soft-bodied organisms such as snails, squid, octopi, and slugs. A very diverse group encapsulating land, sea, and not quite too sure about air quite yet. There are dozens of species of mussels such as the elephant ear, sheep nose, and many, many more. But there are also the zebra mussels, which are an invasive species currently choking out and destroying the Minnesota rivers. Zebra mussels are noticeably different from the native freshwater mussels. They're significantly smaller and less mobile, spending the majority of their life attached to surfaces. These zebra mussels come from the Black Sea. Their native environment is full of competitors and animals that constantly would prey on them, so they evolved to reproduce quickly and in huge numbers, making them incredibly potent as invaders. Due to this large number of zebra mussels, they are able to choke out the rest of the species just like that in an environment. They take any and all resources for themselves. The zebra mussel invasion was made possible by viewers like you using boats that have not properly been cleaned. So why should we care about freshwater mussels? Mussels are a filter feeder. A filter feeder consumes particles that are in the water that are nearly invisible to the naked eye, such as decaying materials, plankton, and bacteria. They live for cleaning the water to keep it as a healthy ecosystem. The complete removal of mussels, as with the plan to remove any species completely, would ruin that niche. Mussels need to be there in order to keep the water prospering. There are many ways that we may protect mussels. One way that we can try to protect them is by cleaning our boats and watercrafts after any use to prevent zebra mussels from attaching themselves. With that, they will travel across bodies of water, further invading places and damaging more environment, which is not what we want. You also want to let your boat sit for a few days if you are bringing it from an infested body of water to a non-infested, in order to stop that once again. Another way we can try to stop this is by lessening our use of fertilizers and road salts. Considering the amount of watersheds we have in Minnesota, it is inevitable that these will make it back into the waters and pollute them, making a bad environment for the mussels, leading to poor water quality. With that, we hope you take these facts into consideration and try to prevent the loss of mussels in our waters. We need them in order to keep it clean, and they need us in order to live. Thank you for watching. Mussel up!